In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the best ETFs on Trading 212. By the end, you'll be able to quickly locate ETFs, compare their performance and fees, and use Trading 212's built-in tools to shortlist funds that fit your goals. First, utilize the Search tool. With the Trading 212 app open, tap the magnifier icon. In the search bar, type the ETF name or ticker. For example, enter CSP1 to bring up an S&P 500 tracker. You'll see results grouped by asset type. Look for the ETF label, then tap it to open the funds page. If you're not sure of the exact name, start typing a few letters and watch the suggestions update as you type. This is the fastest way to jump straight to a specific ETF. Next, browse categories to discover options you might not know by name. From the Explore or Discover area, scroll to find categorized ETF groups. Our Open Equity ETFs to see funds that track benchmarks like the S&P 500 or FTSE 100. Continue scrolling to view sector-specific ETFs focused on areas such as technology or consumer discretionary. Keep going to reach thematic ETFs, which follow specific ideas or trends. Tap into any category to scan the list, then open any ETF to view its details. Browsing this way helps you build a broader shortlist without needing exact tickers. Now, analyze performance data. On the ETFs page, scroll to the Performance section and review the 1, 3, and 5-year annualized returns. Annualized performance shows the average yearly return over each period, which makes comparisons clearer. Switch between ETFs on your shortlist and check the same 1, 3, and 5-year figures side by side. If any time frame is missing, that usually means the fund hasn't existed that long, so rely on the periods that are available. Use this view to spot consistency and to filter out options that don't meet your expectations. After that, identify popularity. Go back to the main lists and locate the most popular ETFs section. Open it to see funds that are frequently traded and tend to have higher volume. Popularity can help with ease of buying and selling, and it often highlights widely trusted core funds. Treat it as a quick signal, not a final decision. Use it to add or remove candidates from your shortlist before you dig deeper. From here, review fund details thoroughly. On the ETFs page, scroll to the Key Information area and look for the Ongoing Charges Figure, or OCF. This is the annual fee charged by the fund and is shown as a percentage. For example, while some popular S&P 500 trackers list an OCF around 0.07%. Lower fees can make a noticeable difference over time. Also check the dividend policy. If it's an accumulating fund, dividends are automatically reinvested. If it's a distributing fund, dividends are paid out to you. Confirm which option matches what you want, then scan any other essentials shown on the page, such as the fund's objective and top holdings, to ensure it aligns with the index or theme you're targeting. At this point, use tools for research to refine your picks. Open the Trending Stocks and ETFs hot list. Switch to the ETFs view to see market leaders, risers, and fallers. Market leaders can highlight established, liquid funds. Risers can show what's gaining interest today, while fallers can flag areas of weakness or recent pullbacks. Move through each tab. Why tap any ETF that stands out and add it to your watch list if you want to monitor it further. This hot list is a quick way to stay aware of what the market is focusing on right now without leaving the app. Once that's done, you've successfully learned how to find the best ETFs on Trading 212 using search categories, performance data, popularity, fund details like OCF and dividends, and the hot list. Your shortlist should now be clear and ready for further review or action. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.